Every 13 to 15 years, Saturn reaches a unique position in its orbit where its rings tilt edge-on from our viewpoint on Earth. NASA scientists explain that because the rings are incredibly thin relative to their vast width, this tilt makes them nearly invisible, like looking at the edge of a razor-thin sheet of glass. In March 2025, Saturn's rings will appear to vanish before our very eyes. Over the following months, they'll slowly start coming back into view, only to briefly disappear again in November 2025. By 2027, the rings will be fully visible through regular telescopes once more. Scientifically, Saturn's disappearing rings are a predictable event, but spiritually, cosmic events like this can hold profound meaning. If the universe is showing us an illusion, what unseen shifts might be unfolding in your own life? Saturn's symbolism may hold the answer. Saturn has long been known as the planet of karma, discipline, and life lessons. In astrology, it represents challenges that test us, shape us, and push us toward long-term growth. While its lessons can be difficult, they ultimately lead to greater wisdom and resilience. Let's dive into 3 hidden messages in Saturn's disappearing rings. 1. The message of perspective. This entire event is about perspective. Saturn's rings don't actually disappear. We just see them from a different angle. How often do we assume something is gone, lost, or failing, simply because we're looking at it from a limited viewpoint? This moment invites us to step back, question assumptions, and shift how we see reality. The truth hasn't changed, only our ability to perceive it. This reminds us of the ancient Buddhist parable of the blind men and the elephant. In the story, several blind men encounter an elephant for the first time. Each touches a different part. One feels the trunk and says, "An elephant is like a snake." Another touches a leg and insists, "No, it's like a tree." Another feels the ear and says, "You're both wrong, it's like a fan." They all believe their perspective is the full truth, but none can see the whole picture. Saturn's disappearing rings are a cosmic reminder that what we perceive is only part of the full reality. 2. The message of the unseen. Not everything real is visible. The most powerful forces in the universe, gravity, time, love, intuition, can't be touched, yet they shape everything we experience. Saturn's disappearing rings mirror this truth. They haven't ceased to exist. They've simply shifted beyond our line of sight. How often do we mistake the unseen for the unreal? When something isn't obvious, do we assume it's absent? This cosmic event reminds us to trust in what we cannot immediately perceive. The unseen is where transformation happens. Seeds grow in darkness before breaking through the soil. Stars are born in the silent depths of space before lighting up the sky. Your journey is no different. Even if you can't yet see the results, trust that something is shifting beneath the surface. Saturn's rings may fade, but they never truly disappear. Neither do the forces guiding you forward. Look beyond what your eyes can see, because the greatest truths are often hidden, waiting for you to recognize them. 3. The message of cycles and timing. Everything in the universe moves in cycles. The planets, the seasons, the rise and fall of civilizations, and our own personal growth. Saturn's rings may seem to disappear, but they are simply following their natural cycle, shifting in alignment with cosmic timing. This reminds us that life moves in phases, and every ending is a transition into something new. How often do we resist change, fearing that what fades will never return? Yet, just as Saturn's rings will reappear, so too will the opportunities, clarity, and strength we think we've lost. Not everything is meant to be constant. Some moments require stillness, while others call for movement. Some doors must close before new ones can open. If something in your life seems to be disappearing, trust the cycle. What is meant for you will return, often in a new and evolved form. Just like Saturn's rings, you are always shifting, growing, and preparing for your next transformation. Understanding Saturn's hidden messages is one thing, but how do you actually apply them to your life? This celestial event isn't just something to observe, it's an opportunity for personal growth and transformation. And if you're someone who loves uncovering the universe's hidden messages, subscribe and share this video with someone who does too. Now, let's explore how you can harness Saturn's energy and make the most of this shift. Reflect on where you need more discipline. Saturn is all about structure and accountability. Is there an area of your life where you've been avoiding responsibility or resisting growth? This is the perfect time to commit to daily habits that build long-term success, whether it's meditation, healthier routines, or setting boundaries. Small, consistent efforts will create lasting results. Embrace life's cycles instead of fighting them. Everything moves in phases: beginnings, endings, growth, and renewal. If something in your life is shifting, trust the process. Ask yourself, am I clinging to something that needs to be released? Instead of fearing change, lean into it. Saturn's rings may appear to disappear, but they always return, just like new opportunities, relationships, and perspectives in your own journey. Question your perceptions. Just like Saturn's rings don't actually vanish, what in your life might be an illusion? Are you assuming something is lost when it's really just shifting? Are you seeing a situation only from one angle? Challenge yourself to step back and expand your perspective. Seek new viewpoints, journal your assumptions, or engage in deep conversations that stretch your thinking. Strengthen your connection to the unseen. This is a time to trust your intuition. If you've been ignoring gut feelings, dismissing synchronicities, or feeling disconnected from your spiritual practice, now is the moment to tune back in. Try meditation, quiet reflection, or simply pay attention to what keeps showing up in your life. The answers you're looking for might already be there. You just have to listen. Prepare for rebirth. Saturn's disappearing rings remind us that transformation requires release. What identity, belief, or habit are you ready to shed? What new version of yourself is waiting to emerge? Use this time to set intentions. Write down what you're letting go of and what you're stepping into. Your next chapter is unfolding. Are you ready to embrace it? If you're ready to step into your next chapter of transformation, you'll need to release the hidden blocks keeping you stuck. Watch the next video to uncover the 3 things holding you back and how to finally let them go.